Hi, today I'm making a whipped cream pound cake for the church picnic. So I begin with 3 cups of sifted flour. I like to use Swan's Down. I'm also using 3 cups of granulated sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla, as well as 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 6 room temperature eggs, and a cup and a half of sweet cream butter or 3 sticks of butter. Now I began by oiling and flouring my pan because I didn't have baker's joy. We'll talk about that. Next, I'm going to cream my butter and sugar together, and I'm adding my eggs one at a time and slightly mixing. You want to make sure that you don't overmix. It's just, you have to practice with this. For this recipe, you're going to put a little bit of the sifted flour in, and then you're going to add in, alternatively, the cream. So you add flour and then cream, and just do that until you have completed the 2 cups of cream and the 3 cups of sifted flour. And again, it will start to actually lighten as you're doing this, and when it's done, it will actually be a really soft, light batter in terms of color. It'll be a really soft yellow. You should be able to spoon this batter. It should be kind of thick, but it shouldn't pour. So you should be able to spoon that into your prepared cake pan. And then you want to make sure it's, spread evenly. You're going to cook that at 325 degrees for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Do not open the oven. Just leave it in there. You don't want the cake to fall. Once it's done, it'll look like this. And so here was why I needed to use baker's joy. But the good news is that this can be fixed. If you have a problem with a cake, typically you can fix it with icing. So I've used about a cup and a half of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 3 tablespoons of whole milk. And I'm just mixing that. I'm hand mixing that. And I thicken the batter, or the icing, I should say, based on, again, this was a mistake. So I did a heavier glaze. And I was able to just spoon that over the cake. And it looked beautiful. It tasted great. And it was a hit at the picnic.